Hello YouTube family, my name is Aditya and you're watching the DevOps Guy. In the last video, we have discussed about the hard link and soft link. In today's session, we are going to cover one of the most important topic of Linux, that is file permissions. So why permissions are required? Linux is a multi-user based OS. As an admin, sometimes I need to grant access to user A, but not to the user B. Here permissions come into the picture. Total we have three type of permissions: read, write, execute, where R is read, W is write, and X is execute. This RWX is known as symbolic format. Apart from this, we have the octal way in which we use numeric values 4, 2 and 1 to represent these permissions. I'll create a separate video for that, but as of now, we are only focusing on the symbolic way. In order to understand the permissions, we must be aware with the type of users we have in the Linux. So in the Linux, total we have three type of user. One is owner, also known as user. Second is group, and third is other, also known as public. Each set of user have a unique column for the permissions: read, write, execute. And the first column, if you notice, you all are aware with this, the first column is for the directory. It can be a file or it can be a logical symbolic link. In order to revoke permission, we use negative symbol. In order to add permission or grant permission, we use plus symbol. And to assign permission, we use equal to symbol. This is the theory part of permissions. Let's jump to the lab. Okay. So the syntax of the permission is chmod. This is the main command. Your permissions and the file name. This is the syntax. Okay. So for the ease, I have already created one file 1, and see the permissions right now. The permissions of this file is read for user, read for group, and read for the other. So basically it has only read. All right. I have few scenarios. Let me show you. So let's do these scenario in this lab. First is add an execute bit for the owner. Okay. So it is asking me to make a file executable for the owner. Owner is whom? Owner is user. So user, and is asking me to add. So plus symbol, what? Executable. So X, U plus X. This is the command. chmod, my permissions, user need to grant permission of execute. Okay. On which? To file 1. Okay. And I am adding -v. -v is just a verbose. It's not a syntax. Okay. Verbose, it will show you the backend things. So verbose is responsible for this line. Okay. So now see, it is saying mode of file changed from RRR to read X execute. Earlier it was just read. Right now it's read and execute for the owner. This is the first scenario. Let's jump to the second scenario. So it is asking me to add a write bit for group member and other. Group is G, other is O, add is plus symbol, and write bit W, GO plus W. Let's read it again. Add a write bit for group member and other. Group G, O, other, add plus symbol and write bit W. So let's do this. chmod group and other plus write bit W, my file name, and -v as in verbose. See, mode of file changed from RX to RW. Here the group and other having now write permissions. Okay. This is the second scenario. Let's do the third. In third, they are asking to remove the write permission from public. So public is other. Okay. And it's asking me to remove negative. What? To remove write permissions, W. So O negative W. Again chmod O negative W, remove the write permissions from the others, and my file name and -v. See, again changed. So from the other is this column. Earlier the permissions is read, write, execute. Right now it's again read only for the other. So the third scenario is complete. Jump to the fourth. Assign read, write and execute permission bit to all three user category. So it is asking us to assign read, write, execute permissions to all three of them, and assign we use equal to. So chmod assign for all permissions we use a equal to rwx all permissions, my file name and -v. Right now rwx and rwx, all three permissions are assigned to all three users. So symbolic format of permissions are covered now. I hope it is clear to you guys. In the next video I will cover the octal format. Meanwhile, watch the previous video and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Till then, have a nice day.